Welcome. This edition focuses on Jammu Kashmir. So, one of the most important things are the bills and the resolution that had been passed in 2019 with respect to Jammu and Kashmir issued under Article 370. Then we focus on some of the schemes. For example, PM Sehat scheme, and that is the Jan Arogya Yojana introduced in 2020 for health insurance coverage for all residents in Jammu Kashmir. Two new aims to be established, one in Jammu, the other in Avantipura in Kashmir, and then focusing on development of young entrepreneurs. The next is the richness of Jammu Kashmir, where we have the Aroma Mission, which focuses on lavender cultivation, talking about the houseboats and the shikaras in the Dal Lake, the Bahu Fort on the Tavi River, the Zanskar and the Indus and their confluence. Also, there have been continuous effort to tackle terrorism in the region. Now, since terrorism has been deep rooted in the region, it's very important to understand and identify the infiltration, how the anti-national propaganda has been propounded, and the counter insurgency operations. Also, we talk about various efforts which have been taken. These are various central laws, establishment of Human Rights Commission, Women Rights, SC/ST Commission, then focusing on the investments. New Industrial Development Scheme talks about higher incentives in the region, delimiting the area of Jammu Kashmir. 9 seats reserved for ST is another important step. Then focusing on the economic aspect. So handicrafts is one of the basic thing for the region. Apple and the cultivation of walnut and saffron. Also, investment subsidies on agriculture is to be focused. Then we talk about the foreign trade. Now, under foreign trade, there have been comprehensive economic partnership agreements. We also see various increasing export potentials. The idea to host IT, pharmaceutical, textile and electronic industries in the region. In the field of cinema, there have been numerous movies which have been focusing Jammu Kashmir. For example, Kashmir Ki Kali, Jab Jab Phool Khile, and so on. Now, the idea is Jammu Kashmir Film Policy 2021 offers both tangible and intangible incentives for film shooting, understanding how it emerges as a game changer. Then we talk about the familiarization trips that have been planned by the government for filmmaking, decision making, and regional producer. Talking about the shooting palaces, redefining the paradise, space. Now, this is a very important development in Jammu Kashmir. Satish Dhawan for space sciences has been established as a Space Research Center as a Central University of Jammu. Now, understanding this, we also understand the geospatial data which is obtained, the ground observation, the atmospheric studies, atmospheric sensing, and glacier studies. Now, also there has been a GIS lab at the center which has been important. 3D VAR data assimilation technique has been made. And then one of the most important developments is the Henley Space Observatory. This has been established at Henley near Leh. Now, this is one of the most promising sites because it is a region where aerosol concentration in the background is minimum. It's a dry atmosphere, no rains are seen, and clear night sky can be witnessed with little amount of light pollution. So Dikpa Rastari, which is chosen as a site for observatory in 1993 was decided, and then it is has been on the peak Mount Saraswati surrounding the Nilamkhul Plain region, and then we have the Himalayan Chandra telescope which actually sites it. The next is the health coverage under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana Sehat scheme, also talking about health and wellness center, the biggest interventions and transforming the health center. So as I said, Samba in Jammu Kashmir, Avantipur at Samba in Jammu and Avantipur in Kashmir are the two new aims which would be established. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission has been done. which talks about an interconnected database. Through the patient health app, this data would be available and only available to the required authorities. So privacy of the data is again maintained, but all the electronic records would be piled up, and this patient history would be useful for future understanding. So here are some of the statistics from the region of healthcare in Jammu Kashmir in contrast to India, which is again important. Now, talking about poetry and mysticism, Bilma Raina has preserved the tradition by singing the Lal Ded Vags. Chandra Desai, Santosh Nandan, Mohini Kaul are some of the important people in the poetic and the mystic sections in Jammu and Kashmir. Also, establishment of various small scale industries are important, specifically paper, drugs, chemical, cement, Pashmina wool, silk. So those are some of the important developments. Now, how MSMEs have registered themselves, including the manufacturing and the service sector and the total development projects. So there are various schemes. One is cluster development scheme, the other is entrepreneurship, procurement and marketing support, sustainable certification with zero defect, zero effect, Udyam registration, that talks about registration training. Then we have Technology Center at Samba, which has been developed. Sfurti scheme, which talks about encouraging the traditional handicrafts. Khadi Village and Gramodyog Limited. So, Khadi Village and Industries Board is another important aspect. Employment generation through the Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program under the Khadi scheme. The National SC/ST Hub, this has been established in Leh in Ladakh. The scheme has been implemented specifically for entrepreneurs to develop from SC/ST and bring in speedy development and an integrated approach. Tourism, sustainable tourism is important, specifically in the region of Ladakh, which is also called as the Moon's Land. Cultural handicraft are some of the other elements that have been taken into account. Again, with this, the United Nations World Tourism Organization talks about sustainable development. Besides sustainable development, education is another important aspect. So, Government College at Kargil has been set up in Sangkhu, and this is to decongest the Kargil campus with more demand. MTech has been introduced in Ladakh. We have National Skill Mission, Ladakh Skill Development Mission, Kaushal Mela, which has been organized. Entrepreneurial education, where national education policy has been built up. So National Institute of Design is another important aspect, and creating a brand which is called as Brand Ladakh, which focuses on various entrepreneurship development in the field of fruit export, handloom, handicrafts. Talking about National Institute of Design are some of those. So bridging the digital divide is again important. During the COVID, there have been numerous apps which have been released. For example, Saral Android app. Now, Saral is a students accessible resource and learning application. It is available on various educational platforms and connects the students through Diksha, E-Pathshala, Swayam, E-Vidyadan and Swayam Prabha. So there is another textbooks which are prescribed by the Jammu Kashmir Board of Secondary Education, School Education, which is the JK Bose, and this is available under the Saral DSEG online education system. Then we talk about Aadhar Shila, which is a web system developed by the Directorate of School Education System in Jammu to digitize the government schools in Jammu division. The web-based monitoring and information for scholarships, teacher-student ratio and so on. Samadhan is an online grievance redressal system for bringing in more transparency brought by NIC. Then we have Jammu Kashmir Education Hub to host the educational and academic content. Talking about management of private schools, there is a digital JK Weekly which talks about the IT initiatives which have been done in the government schools as well as the private schools. E-Office at the Directorate of School Education Jammu to increase accountability, efficiency, to have a digital system by NIC and bring in a more transparent system. The next is lavender cultivation. So purple revolution as it is called as, and this brings in the aroma mission as well. Now cultivation of lavender has been extremely important because This was initially introduced by IIM in Jammu, in the regions of Doda, Ramban, Kishtawar, Kathua, Udhampur, Rajouri and so on. But there are various distillation plants. It is known for its essential oil-bearing qualities. There are various benefits. More than 1,000 families are involved, over 300 acres of land, and each farm has at least given employment to 5 different people. This has also increased the employment opportunity to 5,000 people. Nursery with more than 20 lakh lavender plants worth more than 1 crore have been developed by women in Doda in various regions, and there are various farmers, young entrepreneurs who are now part of it. The next is the literature. So the literature is known as Dogri literature. Were the warriors, and they actually drew the miniature Pahadi paintings. These are famous world over. The word Dogri comes from Duggar, which is derived from Durgar, which is mentioned in the Chamba copper plates during the 11th century. Now this community resided in the region of Chenab and Ravi rivers, and the inhabitants were known as Duggar or Durgar, and they actually had the pottery which was known as the Dogri pottery. The folk literature has been important, so proverbs, idioms, songs are mentioned here. There are various references to written literature which has been cited. This can be found during the 16th and the 17th century. Maharaja Ranbir Singh got translations of the Sanskrit book done to Dogri, and that was one of the important developments. Maharaja's Royal Darbar documented text in Dogri literature. Shivnath is in the history of Dogri literature published by Sahitya Academy writes that Dogri before 1940 was less explored, and after 1940 there are more explorations on Dogri literature. So those were some of the key headlines we have covered under Yojana. The detailed handouts are available on Examre's current affairs section, so don't miss that. Wish you very good luck, and below are the links which would be useful for your preparation. Have a wonderful day ahead.